Also, before we start, if you find any of this too difficult, you can easily just join the Discord, go into Ticket, and open a ticket for me to create you your own Crunchyroll account that is 100% free, that's premium for at least 7 days. And yeah, and also I'm just trying to make this server alive again, so it would be greatly appreciated if you join. It's that time of the year again, so it's time to show you how to make your own Crunchyroll accounts for free, absolutely for free, taking advantage of the free trial. All you will need is a prepaid debit card or using your Apple Cash, the thing in your Apple Wallet, and at least have $1 in it. So all you need to do is create an account. With creating an account, it doesn't have to be a real email address because you don't need to actually verify your email address, which is nice. So let's just say pokemonmaster.crunchyroll@gmail.com. I do not have access to that. As you can see, I've done a lot of these. I'm gonna make a password for it, and we're gonna go straight into it. Now, what I'm gonna do right after this is, I did not save that. I'm gonna go up to try premium for free. This is very important, and we're going to click on Ultimate Fan because why will we not just get the most that we can? And we're gonna go into credit card or debit card, and we are going to fill out this with our prepaid debit card or our virtual card. As for me, I'm going to be using the virtual card from Apple Cash. Now that we have the credit card information in, or the whatever you're trying to use, the prepaid debit card, we're just going to do processing right now. It is going to accept, and then we're going to have, okay, cool. So now we have Ultimate. I didn't pay anything because it was free, as you saw previously. And then all you go is just to billing history or payment info history. Click on remove all these payment methods because there's no reason to keep them here because you don't want to automatically get charged for something that you don't want to pay for. And that's kind of the whole goal of that. And you don't need to verify with Crunchyroll for your email because you don't have access to it. But now you officially have a premium Crunchyroll account. Yeah.